What are doctors in Ireland saying about the meningitis outbreak in the UK? The HSE issued a statement this morning. It says the HSE is in regular contact with the UK Health Security Agency as it continues to investigate what's happening in Kent. 6 more cases of meningitis have been confirmed there this morning, meaning there are now 27 confirmed or suspected cases of the disease. Cases have been confirmed at 2 universities and 4 schools in Kent, as well as a college in London. 2 young people are known to have died. The meningitis B jab is now being offered to students as part of a targeted vaccine programme in Kent. Here, the HSE says there is no evidence of an increase in meningitis in Ireland beyond expected seasonal and background levels. It also says there is no indication of links between any cases in Ireland and the outbreak in the UK. This statement does draw attention to symptoms to be aware of, and there's also information about vaccines. In Ireland, the meningitis B vaccine has been part of the National Immunisation Schedule for babies born from the 1st of October 2016 onwards. There is currently no catch-up vaccine for older children. However, the MenACWY vaccine is offered in the first year of secondary school and protects against other meningococcal strains.